Ajit Pawar, a Maharashtra deputy CM, dies in plane crash near Baramati. The Learjet 45XR crashed around 8:45 a.m. Wednesday while landing at Baramati Airport after departing Mumbai for political rallies. Modi and other RSS BJP leaders shows condolences, but are Indians aware of the truth that who was Ajit Pawar? Ajit Pawar had 40 criminal cases including rape, extortion, and bulldozing Muslim houses listed against him at the time of his last declaration. These include multiple charges such as IPC 406, criminal breach of trust, 8 cases; IPC 420, cheating and dishonest inducement, 8 cases; IPC 467, forgery of valuable security, 2 cases; IPC 409, criminal breach of trust by a public servant, 1 case; IPC 468, forgery for the purpose of cheating, 1 case; IPC 471, using forged documents as genuine, 1 case; IPC 120B, criminal conspiracy, 1 case; IPC 465, punishment for forgery, 1 case. These are charges self-declared, as required by the Election Commission of India. This is India, and this is real face of BJP. When political figures with extensive illegal and criminal histories are remembered only through praise, it raises a legitimate question. Is transparency optional once power is achieved? Because democracy survives not on silence, but on facts that are allowed to be spoken.